Okay, today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Vizio TV without using the remote. Okay, before we show you how to do this, we just wanted to make sure that you understand that this will basically return your TV set exactly to the way it was when you took it out of the box. Any settings you have, any apps you have will all be lost. The first thing I want you to do is look around on your Vizio TV. Usually on the back, the side, or the top, there are a whole bunch of buttons there that have the power, the volume, etc. Okay, while the TV is turned on, I want you to hold down the volume down and input buttons both at the same time for about 15 seconds. After about 15 seconds, if you look at the front of your Vizio TV, you will see a message that says to reset, press just the input button for 10 seconds. Just press the input button now for 10 seconds and the factory reset will begin. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.